team of members of the Derby Association present half-day workshops for primary school classes. We do not attempt to create budding organists in these sessions, but always aim to stimulate children's interest in the organ as an amazing musical instrument. We have been doing this successfully for 12 years now, and without exception we always feel greatly rewarded by children's unfettered enthusiasm. For many children, it is their first ever experience of seeing, hearing, and touching a real pipe organ. How does the session work? Typically, a class, accompanied by teachers, is invited along to a local church. We make the experience as interactive as possible, and a question and answer format prevails throughout the whole session. As a starter, we gather them in small groups around the console while they listen to an impressive piece of music and watch what the organist is doing. Then, in a presentation, we demonstrate how the pipes work, introducing them to the variety of sounds that are possible with different shapes, sizes and materials. This is followed by the most important part of the workshop. We divide the children into groups of 5 or 6 for hands-on activities, each lasting 15 minutes and organised in rotation. We have pedal power, pedalling on a solo pedal board, how it works, operating and inspecting the inside of a mini organ, playing the organ, feeling the manuals and pedals and operating the stops, how it looks, designing a model organ case and decorating pipes, organist in control, an interactive PowerPoint presentation showing how many tasks organists perform when playing. Finally, we all come together for the summing up and final organ piece with audience participation. We have experimented with a variety of formats for this. A popular one has been antiphonal chanting or clapping to the rhythm of an organ piece, like this Derbyshire March by Joseph Haydn. Another has been children playing whacker tubes with organ accompaniment. When children return to their school, teachers often ask them to reflect on their visit with artwork. Our website offers free classroom resources which teachers can download for follow-up activities. There are PowerPoints and worksheets with quizzes that reinforce the workshop experience and suggest links to a variety of curriculum subjects beyond music. We have served many primary schools in the Derbyshire region and are always gratified when schools come back asking for repeat sessions with different year groups. Ours is not the only approach to outreach activity for the organ amongst youngsters, but the team of volunteers has certainly found great fulfilment with the project. We are very happy to share ideas with other organists associations.